Hi, my name is Mark Hanley from GC Realty Development, and we put together a page on our website, gcrealtyinc.com, that is all about Cook County RTLO, which is a residential tenant landlord ordinance, which was passed in June of 2021. Now, at the time I'm recording this, is about a couple years old, and there's so many Cook County housing providers that still do not know this in existence, and they're a complete violation of it. Now, it was put out there as something to provide a better experience for both the tenant and the house provider, but some of these parties just don't know. And our goal, we put together this awesome ebook that's filled with everything that you have to know. Not to mention, we have other resources on our website as well too about the Cook County RTL. So if you're a house provider in Cook County, you have to know about this. That doesn't matter if you're in Country Club Hills or if you're in Schaumburg or if you're in Barrington. You have to know about the Cook County RTL, which has been in effect for multiple years now. And there's a lot of risk if you're not paying attention to it. We have the resource on here you could download. We're happy to jump on a phone call with you and talk to you about what we can do to help you navigate these housing provider laws that you have to be following. But also would love to kind of hear if you are following and maybe you're struggling as well too. We'd love to hear feedback on that as well. So check out our website, gcrealtyinc.com/ebook. Cook County RTLO, and we'll definitely put a link below here, and we look forward to hearing from you. Talk soon. Bye.